People these days only know me for my pencil sharpener ad. Movies like Death Kill 3, that's the only kind of movies people want to see these days. You're freaks.
No, I'm an outcast. I'm a rebel. I'm a dreamer. I'm just like you, Mr. Baltz.
Oh. Yeah, sure, son. But there was one film I made that you could never have seen. My greatest triumph, my greatest film I ever made. My most violent indictment of Hollywood and all its hypocrisies. I called it Fuck You All, or the Great American Lynch Mob.
Are you sure about that, Mr. Baltz?
Oh, I'm sure, all right. It was 1973. Earl and I and Hetty all got together one night and started to talk about the old days. Started to get mad. And what was born that night was an apoplexy of collective rage that only subsided when I yelled, "Cut!" on the final scene of what the film became, Fuck You All. I can't tell you what a catharsis it was when the character I played bursts into the Oscar ceremonies and proceeds to regale the audience with a highly personal and unprintable diatribe against Hollywood in general, and a number of actors and directors in particular.